Hey guys, we got one. Easy Crockpot Shredded Chicken Tacos. You don't want to miss this. Let's go. All right, so first things first, I have 2 pounds of frozen chicken breast in this crock pot here. And then from this, we're just gonna go ahead and add in our seasoning. I'm using a tablespoon of tomato base. And I'm also gonna be using a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. If you don't have any of these seasonings, you can easily add in a couple pouches of low sodium taco seasoning or fajita seasoning, whatever that you typically use for taco seasoning, the easy way, but just follow this recipe and it'll get you right where you need to be. So again, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon or tomato base. We're also using a tablespoon of dark chili powder. We're gonna use a half of a tablespoon of cumin. We're going to use a tablespoon of garlic seasoning, a tablespoon of black pepper, and a can of diced tomatoes and chilies. I will have the measurements in the description box. This is a 14.5 ounce can. Just dump it on in there. We're going to be cooking this on high for about 4.5 hours. You can cook it on low for about 8 and high for 4 to 4.5 hours. Really simple, set it and forget it. Go do your chores, run around, and when you get back, all you have to do is shred it and you'll be ready to eat real good. So I'm gonna throw it in the crock pot and let it roll. We're back. I actually allowed the chicken to go for about 5 hours. I had some running to do, but that's kind of the beauty of this recipe. You just kind of dump everything in the crock pot and let it go. So like typically 4.5 hours on high, 7 to 8 hours on low. I ran it on high for just about 5 hours. Let's go ahead and let you see what this chicken is looking like and get it pulled. Alrighty, this is the first time this lid has been off of this chicken since we started it. And you can see how this falls right on apart. That's what you want now. I'm gonna leave all this juice in here. I want it all. Chicken breast does have a tendency to kind of be dry at times. So I want this juice to kind of reconstitute within this chicken and moisten it up. And to be honest with you, I like my chicken tacos kind of juicy and my chicken nachos. So all we want to do now is just continue to mix this chicken up and shred it. You can give it a taste while you're at it to see if you want to add a little bit more sodium or if it's perfect for you. Again, this is it though. Let me keep shredding. You can see how good it looks right now. And when I'm done, I'll let you see it. And then when it's time to make those tacos, we'll go in to finish off this video. See you back in a little bit. Let you get a little bird's eye view of that chicken. All shredded with those tomatoes, those seasoning, and that little broth that's in there. These tacos are gonna be amazing. Oh yeah. All right, guys, so there's our finished product, that Crockpot Shredded Chicken for our chicken tacos. So I'm doing nachos. I already got a little street taco on the plate too. Go ahead and get a bite, let you guys see what we're hitting on. Super simple, y'all. Man, cheers. What's it hit? Again, that's a set it and forget it meal. Put everything in a crock pot either before you go to work or if you got errands to run. Simple taco seasoning like we made. Can of diced tomatoes with chilies. Come back home and you'll be eating real good. Healthy, low calorie, low carb wraps I'm using. So again, you can eat healthy and eat good all at the same time. You guys give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. Until the next time, God bless.